where you have over 200 startups and over 1,000 jobs created in a couple of years. Our state invested in that. We put our money where our mouth is, and we understand how important matter is. In this opportunity to invest, we're investing about $2.5 million and an additional loan of about $1.5 million. We want this to be successful because, as JB just said, there's so many institutions that are part of our state, that are the intimate part of Illinois, that have been involved in Illinois from decades and decades and centuries for that matter. We want to make sure those institutions are our teammates here so that we really move in the 21st century to a BioHub that is going to make a difference for Illinois, for the United States, and for the whole world. As was mentioned, the Rehabilitation Institute located here, very special place. Henry Betts, Dr. Betts, who helped found that institution. They've done great things. We want to bring them into the opportunity of matter. We also understand our universities like Northwestern and the University of Chicago and IIT and the University of Illinois and many, many more academic institutions are right here. We want to team up with them. We understand our hospitals are so important. Some of the great hospitals of the world, whether it's Northwestern or the University of Chicago or Rush or Children's Memorial or many, many more, all of them can play a role. But it's especially important for our young companies just getting started. This is a startup place, and this building has more square footage than any other building in the United States except the Pentagon. And we want to thank the Merchandise Mart for helping spawn businesses. This is a mission for this great building for the 21st century. It brings together people in a special place, downtown Chicago, easy to reach, no matter what the weather. We can handle anything, and we understand how important it is that we take all the talent that we have, all the men and women who have great ability, great minds, great commitment, and team them up with great things that we want to do in the area of bioscience, in pharmaceuticals and biopharmaceuticals, making sure that medical devices and all the diagnostics are taken care of and move forward. We have not far from here the Illinois Medical District that was set up in 1941. It's around 4 major hospitals, Rush and Stroger Hospital, as well as the University of Illinois, as well as the hospital that is committed to making sure that all of our veterans are taken care of, and that's Jesse Brown. So we have a very diverse population coming into our state of Illinois and into this particular metropolitan area. And we should use those opportunities to really attract the startup companies, to help them grow, and to help them do things that help everyday people who want good health. And as JB mentioned, it's really wellness. We want to have a wellness society. We have to deal with disease and sickness. We have to make sure we take good care of people when they're ill, but we also want to focus on keeping people well to begin with and preventing bad things from happening. And that's some of what we're gathered here today to celebrate and to start out with. I think it's important that next door is 1871 with their great leader, Howard Tolman, who is here today. We want to make sure that there's opportunities for partnership where they develop, and that's why we're putting money of the people of Illinois behind something that's going to create jobs and businesses for today and for tomorrow.
I've been building companies in Chicago for over 16 years now. At Ovation, we created a billion-dollar business by developing life-saving prescription drugs. I started it just myself, as many of the individuals who will be going into Matter did. When we sold the company, we had over 300 employees. Today, through Paragon and Marathon, my pharmaceutical companies, we're rapidly growing again, building a life science company. I've been very fortunate along this journey and have had a number of strong mentors, partners, and investors from Illinois who have supported me. You can't build successful med tech companies alone. So when Andrew and David came along with the idea for the center and asked me to be involved, I jumped at this opportunity to help more entrepreneurs succeed along the same journey that I went through. With our depth and established companies, universities, and hospitals here in Illinois, and along with the rapid advances of medical technologies generally, Chicago has the opportunity to become unparalleled leader in this sector. Matter creates the center hub we need to live up to this promise, to help entrepreneurs maximize their innovative ideas and grow their companies. Over the past year, hundreds, I can't name them all, of entrepreneurs, universities, industry leaders have all volunteered their time to help build the plan for Matter. So this facility really is being created from the community of people and institutions who will utilize it. It's been done truly organically. I am really excited about the potential of Matter and look forward to seeing the life-changing companies that will come out of it.
If Matter existed way back when we got started, I think it would have only taken us half that time. So that's why Matter matters. I'm also one of 4 volunteer organizers for Chicago Health Tech. It's the local Health 2.0 chapter. We bring together entrepreneurs and around events where the intersection is health, technology, and I'm so nervous. Sorry about that. Health technology and entrepreneurship. We usually do it about every month. We create opportunities for entrepreneurs to get help for specific issues that they're facing with their startups, things that I wish I had early on when we got started. We're 1,000 strong. We've grown over time. So we are ready to just move right in here and have our programming in here. So our members are entrepreneurs, software developers, user experience designers, executives with care organizations, insurers, clinicians, and investors. So Matter is going to provide a permanent home for us. We've been nomadic for a little while, and then we've been living in 1871 for a little while. Thank you, HT. So what we're going to do is we're going to help everyone build businesses together, build them faster, and impact health and health care, and create jobs. So that's it. Thanks.
Well said. Very good. Thanks for coming. All right. Okay.